Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're showing you how to use the Canva plugin in the step-by-step tutorial for 2023. Let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Now that we have our browser open, let's move on to the next step. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit enter. This will lead you to the official website. Click on the official ChatGPT website link to open the platform. This is where we'll unlock the potential of the Canva plugin. Now that we're on the website, let's move forward. If you're new to ChatGPT, go ahead and sign up. For those who already have an account, click on the Sign In button to proceed. In the Sign In process, you'll have the option to sign in with Google. Click on the Google Sign In option and follow the prompts to log in seamlessly. Now that we're logged in, let's explore the exciting features waiting for us. Within ChatGPT, locate the ChatGPT 3.5 button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to upgrade. This step is essential for unlocking the Canva plugin integration. Upon clicking Upgrade, you'll be directed to the waiting list. Don't worry, it's a quick process. Once you're on the list, you're on your way to experiencing the Canva plugin in ChatGPT. After the waiting list is over, you'll be able to use the Canva plugin in ChatGPT 4. And there you have it. Keep an eye out for the confirmation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.